Welcome to our workshop on iSearch. Here, we'll show you how to find library resources and beyond. What is iSearch? iSearch is a one-stop platform for finding library books, journals, media, course reserves, full-text articles, Hong Kong academic library link, and more. iSearch is a user-friendly search platform that enables users to search across multiple databases and library catalogs simultaneously, and it ranks search results based on relevance to the user's query. It is accessible on both desktop and mobile platforms and has integrated with Hong Kong All to provide users with access to a mega print book collection held in all UGC University libraries in Hong Kong. What resources are included in iSearch? iSearch can find print books, ebooks, multimedia resources, course reserve materials, journals, partial article titles, online videos, and databases. How do you use iSearch? Visit the library homepage and enter your search terms. You can use it on any device. On the scopes, select Books plus Media to search physical and electronic collections of our library. Select Articles to search articles subscribed by the library and open access articles. Select Course Readings to search materials reserved for EduHK courses. Select Hong Kong All plus ILL to search collections of all UGC University libraries. To find a print book, please select Books plus Media and enter the book title. You can see the book on the top of the result page. Click the book title to display the full record. In this case, the book is available at Mong Man Y Library. You can jot down the call number and locate it on the third floor. Click the Locate button to show the floor map. To find an ebook, please select Books plus Media and enter the book title. Click the book title to read the details. On the full record page, click the link under View it online to access the book. This book is provided by Springer Link. You may download the whole book on this platform. However, download and loan privileges vary from database to database. To find an academic journal article, you can search by article title or journal title. To search by article title, please select Articles and enter the article title. Click the article title to read the details. On the full record page, click the link under View it online to access the article. To search by journal title, go to iSearch homepage and click Journal Search on the top of the page. Search the journal title and click it to view the details. Click the link under View it online to access the journal. On this journal page, you can find the article by year, issue number, volume number, and pages. Click the Download PDFs to download the file. Now, you can try the advanced search function for finding resources on a research topic. To use advanced search, go to the library homepage and click Advanced Search. Advanced Search provides more options for search. You can narrow your search in title, author, subject, etc. Click here to control the results, whether they should contain all words exact phrase or starts with the search terms. For two or more search terms, choose different Boolean operators to connect them. Filters such as resources type, language, and publication year can be applied. Before searching, you have to generate a list of possible search terms. On this topic, legalization, homosexual, marriage, and Hong Kong are the keywords. Use them to create a keywords table, and it can make your search results more specific. Boolean operators are used to connect your search terms. They helps to either narrow or broaden your results. In this example, connect two concepts with an operator to find results with homosexual and marriage. Homosexual and same-sex carry the same meaning, use, or operator to find results, including either homosexual or same-sex. Using not can exclude terms from your results. In this example, we can find results about marriage, but not homosexual marriage. Some symbols are also useful for searching. Truncation helps to include various word endings and spellings in your search. For example, marriage and Mary both begin with MARR. Using MARR asterisk can search all words begin with MARR. Wildcard is similar to truncation, which use question mark to perform a single character wildcard search. In this example, legalization can be spelled in different ways. Use question mark to replace the letter S or Z. For phrase search, use double quotes around search words to do phrase search. To search resources for the topic legalization of homosexual marriage in Hong Kong, this is my recommended search terms. Try to use this search strategy. You may find more useful results from iSearch. How to refine your results when too many results were found. The facet at the right-hand side helps to refine your results. It provides many options. Availability helps to filter peer-reviewed journals, full-text articles, or available books in the library. You can also filter your results by subject, author, resource type, location, collection, creation date, language, and journal title, as well as course name or ID for course reserve materials. What's more, you can sign in. Then click the pin near the title to save it in My Favorites. Click the dots to show all export options. If you are looking for resources beyond library collections, select Beyond Edu, Hong Kong All Plus ILL scope in iSearch to check collections from other UGC University libraries. The scope articles in iSearch also covers open access resources. Enhanced interlibrary loan for physical books, and document delivery service for soft copies of book chapters and journal articles can be accessed directly through iSearch. Simply log in to make your request. Click MyLibrary on the top of the library homepage and sign in. In MyLibrary Record, you can view your loan record, renew your loan items, check your loan history, request items, and save searches in search result. For more details about using iSearch, click Help and read the user guide. If you encounter any problem, you are welcome to submit a problem report. Library staff will get back to you as soon as possible. You can contact us by phone, WhatsApp, or email. Thank you for watching.